Alright, here at Tactical Gearhead, we're never too afraid to review anything. So here's the problem. I gotta inflate the tires of my kid's stroller, and I just bought this one, so I haven't inflated the tires yet. As you can see, they need some inflation here. So I went to Farm and Fleet to pick up a air compressor. Here we have that. That's what I'll be reviewing today. It's a SuperFlow high volume portable air compressor, the HV-35. And open this up and we'll take a look, see what we got here. Okay. Alright. Oh, it actually comes with a very nice little bag here. Very handy. You can pretty much use that bag for all kinds of stuff, so it's a nice bag. Okay. That one up. Oh, it's got a zipper there too, so that's good. A little more secure. Yeah. There. These two hands there. So I guess that's the cord. Just put that over there. Take the rest of the compressor out of here. We'll just put it. Alright. Looks like it's a 12-volt model, so you gotta plug it into a 12-volt outlet in your vehicle. This is a little handy thing, I guess. If you out on an open road or something, you need to inflate your tires, this will be a handy little thing to have with you. I guess that's the one there. Just screw this one on here. Okay. For this one, I actually don't. I didn't need an attachment. I just need a regular hose to put that on there. So I'll screw that on here in a minute. But I just wanted to show you this because it has the on-off button there. So I'll go ahead and plug this into my vehicle outlet. Probably should start my vehicle too, just in case. But that goes in the back here. That's what I like about my Xterra, is that I do have outlets in the back. Some vehicles don't, so just plug it back in there and probably start my vehicle first. But that's how that's going to work. So I'll plug this in, I'll attach that to the hose, and then get that to go up. There we go, nice and snugly. Turn on the thing. Let's do a little more. Yeah, that's pretty solid, isn't it? Easy peasy.